Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to add the Colorize B&W effect onto your CapCut clips. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Effects, Video Effects, and scroll down to Opening and Closing, and then you'll find the Colorize B&W effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. You can either drop it into the clip or above the clip. I like above the clip because it gives you more options. So we're going to click and drag each end of the effect to the clip, and then we can go to the top right corner with the effect selected to special effects, and we can mess around with the filter, increase the filter, we can increase the strength, we can increase the glow, rotate, and the speed. You guys can play around with it as you'd like. So let's take a look. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.